Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa. So I discovered Ana Luisa a while back on Instagram and I noticed them particularly for their beautiful jewelry. And one day I received an email asking me to collaborate with them, and mind you, this was my first deal. So I was excited because I always thought that their jewelry looked great and was extremely high quality. So I said yes. So they sent me the pieces really quickly, like in less than a week, and I uploaded my first video that I will link right up here. So it's been almost a year now, and I thought I'd make a 1-year update on how my jewelry has been holding up and how I feel about wearing them. So fast forward today, I still think that the jewelry pieces are so timeless, so high quality, and I look good and feel good wearing them. Genuinely, I'm so happy to put these jewelry pieces on, and I use them so often. I even got them on today, like I just came back from work and these are the pieces that I wore today. So these are all my jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa. I have 4 earrings and 1 gold chain. The one that I use the most and the one that I love is this one, which is called the Paris hoop earrings. So as you can see, it's extremely simple. It's so versatile because I feel like gold hoops just go with almost everything. And instead of having like just regular gold hoops, this one comes with a little twist to it, so it gives that unique feel. My second favorite pair is the Elise teardrop earrings. So these earrings I use mostly for a special occasion. I just feel like it has this sophisticated touch. It looks so elegant, so intricate. And it's something that I take out if I'm going out for a special dinner or like a concert or like an opera. This is the piece that I turn to. My third favorite piece are these circular colorful earrings. Now I forgot what they're called because they're no longer on sale, like not with this design. What I like about it is that it adds a pop of color to a monochrome outfit. So if I'm wearing all white or all black and I want a tint of like spice or colors, this is the earrings that I go for. It's fun, it's playful, without looking really tacky. So let's talk about quality and care. Now I've been having these pieces for about a year now, and as you can see, they still look incredible. Now they're gold plated and I'm a gold girly, so most of my jewelry is gold. But as you can see, they still look so nice, so shiny. Let me see if I can hold up something for you. It still looks incredibly shiny and new, like the quality is still there. You can tell this is high quality jewelry. And I know they come with like specific care instructions, but honestly, I never even read it. I don't even know how you're supposed to take care of them. I just do the bare minimum. Like I do not put them on when I'm in the shower. I do not put them on when I go into the sea. I just take it off and I put it on when I go to work or whatnot, and it still stays the same. So in my opinion, I find their pieces to be very low maintenance, and that's perfect for me because less work to do. Besides making really great jewelry, Ana Luisa also puts a lot of care into making it as sustainable as possible. Now I've already talked about this in my first video, so do check it out if you want to know more. Or you can also head over to their website to find out more about their engagements in terms of packaging and in terms of sourcing. So all in all, I'd say that it's a great brand. I genuinely love them so much. Like you can look at most of my Instagram pictures, I definitely have a piece of jewelry from Ana Luisa on me. My favorite thing about it is just genuinely the quality and how good and simple it looks. The pieces start as low as $39 and they go up to like 200 sometimes, depending on the type of material you want. So there's a bit for everyone. If you're thinking of getting yourself some jewelry or perhaps a gift for someone who likes jewelry, then I definitely recommend going for Ana Luisa. So we've reached the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful, and that if you were considering clicking on that purchase button, then I hope that this convinced you to do so, because you will not regret it. I definitely love wearing these pieces every single day. And if you've purchased from Ana Luisa, let me know in the comment section down below what you got and what you think about your jewelry pieces. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!